Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dexter. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to know if the hard drive in this laptop is either SSD, which is solid state disk, or a hard disk drive. So to do this on Windows 11, all you have to do is just right click on the taskbar like this and select Task Manager, or you can just click on this Start right here and then type in Task Manager. So you click on Task Manager right here. So after clicking on Task Manager, you click on Performance right here. You open this, so you click on Performance as well, and here is the disk, and as you can see it's an SSD right here beneath it. So, and if you are on older versions of Windows like Windows 10, 7, Vista, XP and so on, so all you have to do is click on the Start as well, or Search, and then type in DFRGUI, which is the defragment and optimized drive, and then you click on it. So it's going to show you the media type, which is this. As you can see, solid state drive stands for SSD and hard disk drive stands for HDD. So this is pretty much how to know it. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you like it and subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications for more videos like this, and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.